Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new estimate on the Invoices application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the estimates button down below, which is the second option. Then click on the plus icon down below. Tap on this first section to set the estimate number, date and the PO number. Go back and then set the client. So type in its name, type in its email address, phone number and address. As you go back, you can set the item. So type in the name and the description, set the unit cost, set the unit, then the quantity, the discount amount. Here you can add additional details. As you go back, you can check out the total price. You can add a photo. If you tap on it, you can add a description too. You can add your signature. Tap on save. Here you can add notes if you want to. And as you go back, you can forward it by tapping on this send button down below, so you can send it via text or email. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.